Be honest, do you crack your own neck? Here is why that is a bad idea. When you self-crack, you are not fixing the joint that is actually stuck. You are actually moving and adjusting the ones that are already too loose. And that is why it feels good for a minute, maybe two. But the tightness and discomfort always comes back. A chiropractor actually finds the joint that is stuck and fixes the real problem. So stop twisting your neck, tag a friend who does it all day, drop a bone emoji if that's you, and share this before someone gets hurt.